Good morning, students. Nowadays, we are studying the lesson, the necklace. Okay, and in our previous video, we had studied that Matilda herself washed the dishes and she brought up water herself, and she bargained over the prices like a poor woman, and her husband worked day and night. They faced a tough time and it continued for 10 long years. Okay, so their condition was not good and they were doing hard work, and Matilda Lozel now looked old and she looked like a hard and crude woman of a poor family, and she washed the floors with large pails of water, and sometimes she would think about the glorious evening of the party where she looked so beautiful. She thought, she wondered at the strangeness of life and the sudden turn of fate. And one Sunday, as she was taking a walk in the park, she suddenly came across her old friend, Madame Forrester. And Madame Forrester still looked young and pretty, and she was surprised to see her. And what happened after that, we will look in the story. So let's move the next para. She approached her. Good morning, Jenny. Her friend did not recognize her and was astonished to be so familiarly addressed by this common personage. And when she went to the Madame Forrester, and Madame Lawselmin, Matilda said, "Good morning, Jenny." So her friend was Madame Forrester, who was her friend, and she did not recognize her because Matilda was looking too old and like a poor woman. So she did not recognize Matilda and was astonished, and she was surprised to be so familiarly addressed by this common personage. She thought that this common man or common woman addressed me so familiarly. So she was very surprised and she did not recognize her. She did not know that who she was. She stammered. She spoke in stammering voice and she said that, "But madam, I do not know. You must be mistaken." And Madame Forrester said to the Madame Lozel or Matilda that, "Madam, I don't know you. You must be mistaken. That I am not your friend." "No, I am Matilda Lozel," she said. Matilda said, "No, you are going to do mistake. I am Matilda Lozel." Her friend uttered a cry of astonishment. "Oh, my poor Matilda, how you have changed!" And Madame Forrester was so surprised when she heard that she was Matilda Lozel. Her friend uttered, she spoke, she produced a sound of cry. She cried of astonishment and surprised. And she said, "Oh, poor Matilda, how you have changed." And she was so surprised. Okay, yes, yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you, and some miserable ones, and all because of you. And now Matilda said to Madame Forrester that, "Yes, I have had some hard days." She said that, "I have some hard days, very difficult days since I saw you, and we are facing some miserable days and very difficult time, and all these of because of you. It's your mistakes." He said, "All our condition is all because of you." "Because of me? How is that?" She said. Forrester said, "You recall the diamond necklace that you loaned me to wear to the minister's ball?" And then she made remember Madame Forrester that, "You recall. So remember that the diamond necklace that you loaned me, you gave me to wear in the minister's party. Yes, very well. She remembered that well. So Matilda said that I lost it. How is that? Since you returned it to me, but Forrester was surprised that she said that how it can possible that since you returned it to me, how can you say that I lost it? I returned another to you exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. And Matilda said that I returned the another to you. I returned the not the same one, the exactly like it. The another necklace, which is the same exactly like the previous one. So I returned the another one to you, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it, and we took 10 years. It has taken 10 years to pay the debt or to pay for that necklace. You can understand that it was not easy for us who have nothing, but it is finished, and I am decently content now. And Matilda said that you can understand that our condition, and we are not rich persons, or we are poor, and it was not easy for us to that who have nothing like us. We are not rich person, we are poor. And her husband was an ordinary person, he was only a clerk. That is the 36,000 to pay 36,000 like those types of person. It is very difficult, she said, but it is finished. But now after 10 years, and we finished all the debt, we gave all debt, and we and I am decently content. And now I am decently content means satisfied. I am satisfied now, because we have paid all the debt. Madam Forrester stopped short. She said, you say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine? And she were again surprised. She stopped her, and she stopped for a short time, and she said, okay, okay, just a minute. You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace my necklace? Matilda said, yes, we bought a diamond necklace, because your necklace was a diamond necklace. So, to replace that, we bought a diamond necklace of 36,000 francs. Yes, you did not perceive it then. They were just alike. You did not perceive, you did not recognize it then, and they were just alike, the same as yours. And she smiled with proud and simple joy. And then she smiled with proud and with the joy. Madame Forrester was touched and took both her hand as she replied. And Madame Forrester got emotional, and she was touched. And she took both her hands in her hand, and she replied, oh, my poor Matilda, mine were false. They were not worth over 500 francs. What happened here? Madame Forrester said, oh, my poor Matilda, my necklace was not the original one. That is not original diamond necklace, that is the false one. And the value, the worth of my necklace was only 500 francs. That is not the original one. Okay, and this story is end here. So it is very good and interesting story, and you can think that what had happened at last and with Matilda. And Matilda had ruined her 10 years behind that, and she paid the original diamond necklace to Madame Forrester, and Madame Forrester's necklace was false one. And so for the false one she had paid 36,000 franc. Okay, and she had ruined her 10 years life. So it is the end of the story, and now it is the time of Hindi summary. Okay, so move on the Hindi summary. Okay, तो स्टोरी में हमने पढ़ लिया था कि किस तरह से मैटिल्डा की लाइफ जो है बिल्कुल बर्बाद हो जाती है। वो जो जिस तरह की लाइफ चाहती थी वैसी लाइफ उसको नहीं मिल पाती है, क्योंकि उसने डायमंड नेकलेस खो दिया है अपनी फ्रेंड का, और उसको वापस करने के लिए उसको नया डायमंड नेकलेस ख़रीदना पड़ा है, और सेम उसी की तरह उसने ख़रीदा जैसे पहले था। और उसको मैडम फॉरेस्टर को ओरिजिनल नेकलेस जो है वो वापस किया है, 36,000 फ्रैंक में उसने ख़रीदा। और वो सारे काम खुद करती है अपने घर के, बहुत हार्ड लाइफ जी रही है, वो बूढ़ी भी नज़र आती है और वो अपनी केयर नहीं कर पाती है। उसके 10 साल लगे उसको वो सारा कर्ज चुकाने में। हालांकि अब वो कर्ज चुका चुके हैं, तो कभी वो अपने पुराने दिनों को भी याद करती है। उस दिन को भी याद करती है जब वो पार्टी में गई थी और कितनी सुंदर नज़र आ रही थी, लोग सब उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे थे। और इस तरह से एक बार ऐसे ही वो घूमते हुए गई और उसको उसकी ओल्ड फ्रेंड वही मैडम फॉरेस्टर दिखाई। तो जब मैडम फॉरेस्टर उसको दिखाई देती है तो मैडम फॉरेस्टर के पास जाती है, उसको गुड मॉर्निंग जीनी जीनी उसको कहती है क्योंकि उसकी फ्रेंड है। लेकिन मैडम फॉरेस्टर उसको पहचानती नहीं है। वो बड़ी सरप्राइज़ है कि एक कॉमन सी फेलो ने, एक कॉमन पर्सन ने, एक ऑर्डिनरी जो पर्सन है उसने, एक पुअर वुमेन ने उसको इतने फ्रेंडली, इतने फैमिलियरली उसको एड्रेस किया है, उसको जीनी कहा है। तो सरप्राइज़ है कि वो कहती है मैडम आप गलती कर रही हैं, मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो आप समझ रही हैं, मैं आपको नहीं जानती, आप कौन हैं। तब मैटिल्डा कहती है कि नहीं नहीं, आप गलती तो आप कर रही है, मैं मैटिल्डा लॉजिल हूँ। और मैटिल्डा लॉजल सुन कर के उसकी दोस्त जो है मिस्टर मैडम फॉरेस्टर, वो एक ज़ोर से चिल्लाती है, एस्टोनिशमेंट, सरप्राइज़ है बहुत ज़्यादा। वो कहती है कि ओह माय पुअर मैटिल्डा, अरे बेचारी मैटिल्डा, तुम कितनी बदल गई हो, तुम्हारा तो रूप रंग सब कुछ बदल गया है, तुम कितनी बदल गई हो। और सरप्राइज़ है उसको देख करके। मैटिल्डा कहती है हाँ मैं बदल गई हूँ, और क्योंकि मैंने बहुत कठिन समय गुजारा है और बहुत ही मुश्किल दिन व्यतीत किए हैं, और तुम समझ सकती हो मुझे, और और ये सब कुछ तुम्हारे कारण हुआ है। तो मैडम फॉरेस्टर भी फिर सरप्राइज होती होगा, मेरे कारण हुआ है, मैंने क्या किया, मेरे कारण कैसे तुम्हारे दिन खराब हुए। मैटिल्डा कहती है याद करो उस दिन को जिस दिन हम उस पार्टी में गए थे मिनिस्टर के यहाँ, और वहाँ मैंने तुमसे एक नेकलेस लिया था, डायमंड नेकलेस, वो उधार लिया था पहनने के लिए उस दिन के लिए। वो कहती है हाँ हाँ मुझे याद है बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से। तो मैटिल्डा कहती है कि मैंने वो खो दिया था, वो मेरे से खो गया था वो नेकलेस। मैडम फॉरेस्टर सरप्राइज होती है, वो फिर कहती है कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, तुमने तो मुझे वापस कर दिया था। तब मैटिल्डा उसको हकीकत बताती है कि मैंने तुम्हें असली वाला नहीं वापस किया था, तुम्हारा वाला वापस नहीं किया था, वैसा ही हमने एग्जैक्टली द सेम तुम्हारे नेकलेस जैसा ही दूसरा नेकलेस हमने ख़रीदा और फिर तुम्हें वापस किया, क्योंकि वो हमसे खो गया था, मुझसे खो गया था, तो फिर मैंने एक नया नेकलेस ख़रीदा और फिर तुम्हें वापस किया, वो जो कि सेम उसी के जैसा था। और उसका कर्ज चुकाने में हमको 10 साल लगे, क्योंकि 36,000 फ्रैंक का वो नेकलेस हमने ख़रीदा। और तुम समझ सकती हो कि हम जैसे लोग, बहुत जो कि गरीब लोग हैं, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है, और एक मेरे हस्बैंड क्लर्क हैं, ओनली एक ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन है, तो हमारे जैसे लोगों के लिए, गरीब लोगों के लिए इतना कीमती नेकलेस ख़रीदना, डायमंड नेकलेस जो 36,000 फ्रैंक का था उस समय, तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल बड़ी चीज़ थी और हमको उसका कर्ज चुकाने में 10 साल लगे। लेकिन अब मैं कंटेंट हूँ, मैं संतुष्ट हूँ, सेटिस्फाइड हूँ, क्योंकि अब हमने वो कर्ज पूरा चुका दिया है और अब हमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है और अब ठीक है। मैडम फॉरेस्टर 1 मिनट रुकती है और वो कहती है मटिल्डा से, मटिल्डा 1 मिनट रुको, तुम क्या कह रही हो कि यू बाउट अ डायमंड नेकलेस, तुमने डायमंड नेकलेस खरीदा मुझे वापस करने के लिए, मेरे नेकलेस को वापस करने के लिए तुमने डायमंड नेकलेस खरीदा। वो कहती हाँ, तुमने उसे पहचाना नहीं उस समय, क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल उसी के जैसा था, इसलिए तुम नहीं पहचान पाई होंगी। और लेकिन हमने खरीदा वो डायमंड नेकलेस, 36,000 फ्रैंक में खरीदा। अब इसको देख करके मैडम फॉरेस्टर टच अंदर तक छू जाता है, उसको अंदर तक इमोशनल हो जाती है। और वो मटिल्डा के दोनों हाथ अपने हाथों में लेकर के उसको कहती है, माय पुअर मटिल्डा, ये तुमने क्या किया? अरे मेरा नेकलेस तो नकली था, मेरा नेकलेस असली नहीं था, वो असली डायमंड नेकलेस नहीं था, वो तो नकली था। और उसकी कीमत तो केवल 500 रुपये थी, 500 फ्रैंक थी, केवल 500 फ्रैंक्स, केवल 500 फ्रैंक उसकी कीमत थी, वो तो नकली था और उसके बदले तुमने असली वाला दे दिया। अब सोचो मटिल्डा की क्या कंडीशन हुई होगी, क्या स्थिति हुई होगी, आप सोच सकते हैं। यहाँ पर मटिल्डा की कंडीशन आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि उस समय मटिल्डा ने उसको क्या लगा होगा, कैसे लगा होगा। तो यहाँ पर ये स्टोरी एंड होती है, ख़त्म होती है। अब यहाँ पर आप ये समझ सकते हो, अगर यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन आए, एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर उठे कि आपको कहा जाए कि व्हाट वाज द कॉज ऑफ मटिल्डाज ruin, because her 10 years ruined, her life was ruined, destroyed. And what is the cause of Matilda's ruin and how could she have avoided it? So how can you give answer? So the answer is, the cause of Matilda's ruin was her high ambition. She was so ambitious. She wanted to move in the high circle of society, and she wanted to be loved and admired by the rich and famous persons. She forgot that she was born poor and that she had married with an ordinary clerk. And Matilda could have avoided her ruin. How? She should have been satisfied with what she had. She should have been satisfied with what she had. She should not have imitated the rich people. And it is the moral of this lesson too, that we should not have imitated the rich people or the beyond our reach. The people who are beyond our reach, we should not have imitated them. And when the necklace was lost, she should have told the truth to Madame Forrester. It is very important line. It is very important. When the necklace was lost, she should have told the truth to Madame Forrester. If she have told the truth to Madame Forrester, then she would know that necklace was only 500 francs. So they had destroyed their 10 years life. Okay. But in this story we had the another things, the Matilda's character, and there is two aspects of Matilda's characters. In the beginning, she was very vain, pretty, dreamy woman, ambitious woman. She is unhappy with her poor surroundings, and she wants to have all comforts and luxuries. And her husband tries to please her in every way, but she was always unhappy. And it is on his suggestion that she borrows a necklace, diamond necklace, from her friend Forrester to attend the party at the minister's residence he suggested. Unluckily, she loses the necklace, And the another aspect of her character, if we see that Matilda proves to be an honest, bold, and heroic lady. After that, she with the help of her husband replaces the necklace. She and her husband work hard to pay off huge debts. She herself does all household works, and she tries to save as much money as she can. And at the end of 10 years, she is free from all debts. She looks old now one day, and one day then after that she noticed that she knew that the necklace was false. So you can imagine her condition. Okay, so it is the end of this story, this today's story. And now the question answer. So homework, I will give you homework, the questions which you should done. So look at it. Look here, these are the questions, and the first question, first and second, third questions. You can do these questions. So it is your homework, and you can see here some more questions, 1 2 3 4, and these are the questions too. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So these are the questions, and these, it is your homework of this lesson. And but keep in your mind that a question should not be uh, double. So you the questions we gave you earlier, so don't repeat the questions. Okay, so it is your homework. Okay, so it is the end of today's video.